Today we will repair a mold for carbon fiber parts. These are classic normal molds made from fiberglass with epoxy resin, high temperature, because we produce carbon fiber parts with an autoclave. And the last time I produced this part, 2 weeks ago, the Mr. Blumetti forgot to apply the release agent. And yeah, I was wondering why the part came out so hard. And then I was surprised with some marks left in it. Marks. Some deep holes. Nothing too bad, but I will show you. And it's not the only mold. There are 3 molds to repair. The good news are that we can repair everything. Nothing is or has to be thrown away in this workshop. So as you can see, this one here, it's not too deep. Actually, this one here can stay because it's on the trim out area. This is just some resin that's left over. Also this one here, it's luckily perfectly on the line where it has to be trimmed out. Here's a small hole. This one has to be repaired. Yeah, and the rest just sanding. Actually, I won't polish the molds because the parts that come out of this mold will be clear coated later on, and so there's no need to polish the molds. Here on the corner, and I have to recreate this corner by hand. First of all, I mean, here it's clear, but first of all I'm gonna mark these suckers out so I don't forget where to mill. I'm gonna sand it now, just a little bit, so it has more grip. And then I'm gonna mix some gel coat. So you just have to watch out that there are no bubbles trapped inside. Otherwise, if we sand this down again, because we have to flatten this out, those bubbles will expose again, and then you have to put some gel coat on it again and again, and this can be pretty a pain in the ass sometimes. So we have to let it dry or harden for a few hours, and I will sand this down tomorrow. But before I sand it down, I will put it in the oven for about 45 minutes at 120 degrees, so it hardens perfectly to the temperature of the autoclave, which the parts will be baked. And then I'm gonna sand it down. Maybe we have to fill some bubbles that will come up. I hope not, that there are no bubbles. And if there are not, we can just put a few coats of release agent on it. And after the release agent is on it, we will produce the parts, and then you will see how they come out. And I will show you the parts also after clear coating, and you won't spot anything. Now 24 hours are over, and we can just take this away. Actually, here it was not necessary to put on, and all the gel coat has perfectly hardened out, and now we can sand this. The part is now finished, has been clear coated, and yeah, I'm satisfied with the result of this. And as you can see, looks awesome. I mean, how can you not withstand this buying this part? Yeah, this is how it looks. This is the top side. This was okay. And this is the repaired side, which is down beneath, so you don't have to worry about any spots normally, but here was the spot we repaired. This here was broken also, but trim out area, and nothing to see. Front here is the steering wheel, so also invisible, but also perfect result. Yeah, and I guess this is more than okay. Yeah, I like the finish of the part, even though it has not been finished yet. So I have to send out the dust particles in it, but there are just a few, 2 or 3 knobs. Nothing bad. And yeah, let's see. I hope the customer will be satisfied with this part in his Ferrari, and see you soon to the next video.